Hello, everybody. I am super excited to show you this and make this video. This will be my first kit from this company, and I would like to thank Janae immensely for thinking of me and sending this to me. This is from Captured by Radiance. You may have seen some videos from other people. They have some new paintings in stock, and I'm here to show you one of them. I'm super excited. I got to pick this one out, and I am gonna love this. Oh my goodness. So they've got this really pretty box. They have some diamonds on it. Here's their sticker, Captured by Radiance. That's their website. You're gonna need that because you're gonna wanna go shopping. What your package includes. On the back, we have some instructions, how to diamond paint. I think that's about it. The picture's on the end. The picture of my kit is on the end. Okay, is this taped or is it, I think it's just taped on the edges. Don't think it's shrink wrapped. I believe that she opens every single one of these, checks them, adds some extra special goodies to them. So let's get into it and see what we have. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, I'm super excited. I've been watching some of the other unboxings of these, but I did not watch this painting. I never like to watch an unboxing of a painting I'm going to get because I want it to be my first impression. All right, so this is pretty cool. We have this green organza bag that your painting is in. That's nice. Love that. They have a nice canvas. It's a one of the softback short lint canvases. I love that. Love it. All right. So as you can tell, we're scalloped and serged on the edges. Everything looks great. It looks absolutely beautiful. I love it. Okay. So I'm going to just take this out because it's wanting to come out. And I'm going to roll this backwards. Well, there's the drills too. Oh, and they're pre-bagged. Love it. Love me some pre-bagged drills. I'm going to roll this backwards. I'm going to try because it always helps them lay flat really quick for us so that we can see it nice and flat. Okay. So they are doing a great job over there. They're licensing their artwork. And as you know, it's hard. It's hard up. Okay, you just unroll. Fine. It is hard out there in the diamond painting world, but they're diamond painters. And diamond painters make the best paintings when they make diamond paintings. They just know what diamond painters love. So I'm always excited to see when diamond painters decide to start producing some paintings. Love it. This is super nice. Okay, now you're going to see it. Look. It is called Puppies and Butterflies by Adrian Chesterman. Oh my goodness. I think it's a round drill. I think that's what I asked for. Size is 80 by 60. Look at all those puppies. Oh my goodness, it's going to be so pretty. Down here again is some directions how to diamond paint. And over here, this is a sticker. So you can cut those out and you can put them on your containers when you're kitting up to get started. 49 colors, and I believe all of their kits come with 4 ABs. This one definitely has 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 ABs. Love it. So pretty. They are now offering square drill paintings, so you can get your painting in a square drill. They are also offering shipping to some new countries, the UK, Germany, Scotland, and France. It's a $50 flat rate, no matter how many kits you get, so that's a good deal. Get a few, it's well worth it, right? Might take a little longer to get there, but it's going to be well worth it. Look there's my ABs right there. Look at the colors, so pretty. All right, so look at this cute toolkit. Again, with the organza bag, look at all this. Nice. Okay, you need to be out of my way. The string, move. We need to get in here. I watched Janae's video, actually. She has a YouTube channel, Diamond Painting Reviews by Janae, if you've never watched her. And she was talking about their cover minders and how they were having a hard time finding magnets, but they're back because she found magnets. So we have the tweezers, the sharp tweezers with the cap. Keep that on there. We have a pot of blue wax. Nice. Blue wax in a little pot. I love them when they come in a pot. Keeps them clean, dry, all that stuff. Keeps them from drying out as well. We get a little boat there with a diamond sticker. I have a diamond sticker. Love it. And here is a 7-placer. That's nice. Okay. What else do we have here? Here's her business card, or their business card. It's her and her sister that started the company. Her sister makes pens too, so you can find those on their site. Oop, you don't get to use that code because I have a code for you. I have a code. Thank you so much for letting me have a code. I'll put it below as well, but it is Mindy Moments 22, and Mindy Moments is all capital letters. It's 15%, so it's better than this one anyhow. So if you want to purchase from them and you want to save some money, it's Mindy Moments 22, all capital letters, 15%. Thank you so much for doing that. I appreciate that so much. First time out of the gate. I'm so excited. Oh, look, this is even individually wrapped washi tape. That's cute. Cute, cute washi tape. Look at flowers, and it's all wrapped. That's neat. And then here is our cover minder. How do we get it out of this little box? Let's see. Here we go. It's very pretty. It's, oh my gosh, it's very pretty. I don't know if you can tell how pretty it is. Like there, I'll turn it this way and that. This is like kind of brushed. And then we got the gems, and there's the magnet. There we go. She said, if you can't find your other magnet, look somewhere. Look beneath or look underneath the, there it is. Hey, she's right. For some reason, they come off and they go underneath the foam for some reason. But there it is. It's there. Hey, Janae, it was exactly where you said it would be. That's funny. All right, so that is the toolkit, the sticker, all that good stuff. Our drills we'll look at in a minute. Are you ready to see this? Because I'm dying to see it. I'm dying to see it. First of all, let me zoom you out, and I'll flip it over. See if I can, no, that wasn't out. Out. There we go. See if I can flip it the right way. Flip it this way. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Wow. How cute. Oh my goodness. So your masterpiece awaits is their slogan. 100% satisfaction guarantee. They have snap insurance. They can replace drills. I think it was up to 4 colors, maybe 5 colors, something like that. Don't quote me. We get a picture up here at the top of our kit, the licensing, the size, all that good information is right up there. And you guys, this is the coolest thing. This is the coolest. We have 2 legends. This one is right side up, and right now this one is upside down. Why? Why is it upside down? Because it's for people like me who start on my painting this way, then we turn it this way, and then we turn it this way to work on it, and so then it's right side up. I'm constantly flipping my paintings around. I love it. I love it. So look at those cute little puppies. I love this hammock. That hammock is just the bomb. I mean, all this rainbow hammock there. And then there's all kinds of little butterflies. That's why it's called Puppies and Butterflies. So there's jars hanging in the tree like lights, all right? There's a butterfly in the tree. There's a boat way out back. There's water, and there's a sailboat there, and there's one over here. Then we got butterflies, butterflies. This is a little puppy. That's a little puppy. He's peeking out from behind there. He's behind the grass. We got another jar down here. I hope those have ABs in them. The jars should have ABs, right? They should, yes. Then we have the house in the background. Another jar's hanging out of the tree there. Just butterflies flitting around. Isn't it cute? It's so stinking cute. This big fern over here. We got a bunch of flowers and the trees. I just love it. It is so cute. Oh boy, this is going to be fun to work on. Let's look at the drill field. Let's go right here to dark areas. And how does this drill field look? Let's see up close. I see A, E, R, K, a square. Everything looks clear. It really does look clear. Look at there. A little bit of confetti. I love it. Oh, I can tell this plastic's thick too. Well, it's not super thick. Now the canvas is interesting. It's got some sparkle in it. The canvas itself is a little thicker than some of the short lint canvases, and that's fine. It's going to be very nice to work on. I love it. Super, super cute. All right, let's look at these drills. Oh my goodness. So we have our kit number here. Where's our kit number listed on here? Up at the top? Yeah, the kit number's way up at the top over there. So that's the number, round 80 by 60. Love it. Let's look at these. Then we'll go hunt for ABs. Yes. I don't think there's going to be any ABs in the lights now that I'm looking, because the ABs look to be purples and greens. I don't know. We'll see. So I love me a pre-bag drill. So you will see that they just have the DMC number on them and a weight. And then you can put your little sticker right on the bags. I love to work out of the bags. I'll just leave them in the bags and work right out of them. And you know, having them in the bags makes me go, yes, let's put some drills on. Yes, let's put some drills on. Look at that beautiful colors. 208. Look at that blue. Brown. Some more greens. Lots of green colors. Love it. All right. What else do we have? Whoop, that one's trying to jump off the counter. An orange. Blues. Yellows. More greens. I believe they were in order by DMC. They're not anymore. Nope, they really weren't. Nope, they're not really in order. Okay. I don't feel so bad about messing them up then. Not that I can't put them back in order. Done that a number of times, right? Okay, let's keep going. Wow, 49 colors. This is feeling like a ton. Right? Gray, a peach, some more pretty blues, browns, blue. Nice. The ABs are being nice. They're behaving. They're staying right in the bag for me. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Look at that pink. Look at those. Can I see some up close? Let's look up close. Let's look up close. How do they look? What do you think? They look beautiful. They really do look good. Yeah. If I'm not mistaken, the resin, I think that's what one of her notes said. I have several emails from her. I think they're resin drills. So just for your information. So one of our ABs is a gray. Okay. That's 318. So that would be your DMC number just in AB. So 318 gray, 701 green, and then my favorite purples, 208 and 210. Love those. All right, I'm going to leave those sit right there. You guys can go to the side. Go over here. I didn't see any sitting up in the lip either. You know how sometimes when you have pre-bag drills, they'll get stuck up here? I don't really see any of those, so cool. It's not a big deal. All you can do is open up your little bag and they'll drop right in. Okay, let's go AB hunting. Let's start with the green, the pretty green, okay? The green is an arrow, like a choop, we took a turn, you know what I mean? So let's look down here and all of this green fern. So it is like this brighter green right here. So there's just little peppers of it here and here and here. They're just kind of peppered throughout this fern and down in here. Again, just a few here and there, some up here. How about if we go up the tree further? Yep, they're just kind of peppered throughout this green area. Even up into here. There's some up in here. How about up high in the tree? Yeah, just dot, 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 dot. Peppered throughout. How about in here? There's a few here. Where we see green, I think we're going to get a little bit of AB action. Yes, down here. Yep, there's a couple down here. Let's see. A couple up here. So yeah, wherever you see some green, I think we're going to get a little bit of green AB. So it's kind of like spread throughout the greens. All right. All right. What's our next color? The 318, which is the gray. There's not a lot of it. Let's see what we can do. Let's see if we can find it. 2. I'm looking for gray. Where would you think you would find gray? Looking on the dogs. I don't see any there. Oh, on the house. Here on the pillars on the house. And up here on the house, we get some of the gray. I don't know. That could be it. I mean, that's a logical place for it to be. And I'm not really seeing it anywhere else. But I think that's reserved for up here on the house. Up the steps and the banisters and the top of the house there. All right. Next we have 210. I love 210. It's one of my favorites. It's this light purple. It's so pretty. That is a slash. So we're looking for the slash. And it's purple. So like in the purple flowers right here. Clump, clump, clump. Clump, clump. Oh, let's go to our hammock. This purple. This purple, right through here. And then there's some up here. Love it. There's a few in the flowers over here, like here and here, 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 here. Yes, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, there's even some up here. That's nice. That is nice, 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 nice. Anything up top? Let me see. Yeah, a little bit more in the sky. We have some just like peppered throughout the sky. And then here, just little dots across the sky like that. That's nice. That's nice. Okay, now we got one left, and that's the brighter purple. 208. Let's see. And it is the number 6. Oh, look at. No, not that number. It's just 6. So, oh, really? It looks brown. It is brown. No, sorry, I'm wrong. It is not 6. I looked one above. I'm like, that's not brown. It's that antenna looking thing. You know what I mean? It looks like an antenna. Let's see. And it's purple. Purple, purple, purple. Where else do we have purple? I'm kind of going back to where we had purples to see if I see any there. Any down here? Okay. Down here in this part of the hammock is like striped, right? So here is the purple in the hammock. So it kind of follows this stripe along here, dot, 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 and some here. All right, that's where I'm finding purple. Where else? Any place else? Sky, looking in the sky, looking in the sky. Lucy in the sky. No, I don't see any. I mean, I could have missed them, of course, but I think it's reserved for these couple of stripes in the hammock. But look at how cute it is. It is adorable, right? Look at these little puppies. They look like labs. I think they're all labs. I think we got a chocolate and a yellow and a black lab, and I don't know what he is. What is he? I don't know. He's dark red. He's like a dark red, but I think they're lab puppies. The black one right here, he's hard to see in the grass, but when you get his drills on him, hopefully he'll show up, because there's a black one here. Then there's the one hiding over here, right? Yeah, cute. Super, super cute. I would like to say thank you very much for sending this to me so I could show everybody and I can get a look at it. And good luck with your company. I know this is not their first round. They've been around for maybe a year with their diamond paintings. Don't quote me on that, but they've been doing a nice job getting licensed art. They got some more stuff. They got some more ideas. They're going to keep working. They're going to keep getting more and more. Yay. Good job. It's very lovely. I like it. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you go follow them. They have a Facebook group. Follow their Facebook group. Follow them on Instagram. I got to go follow them on Instagram. I haven't done that yet. Follow them on Instagram and Facebook, and you'll get notifications of things and information and all that stuff about when new paintings are coming, all that good stuff. So there you have it, you guys. I love it. It's gorgeous. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I will talk to everyone soon. Bye, you guys.